All right. Hello and welcome everybody to the 2021 GitHub workshop demo section. You guys came to our GitHub workshop earlier and hopefully learned the basics of GitHub. And now it's time to put those into practice to really kind of test the knowledge you just gained. So real quickly, I'm going to go over the demo, and then me and my two friends here, we're going to go through the demo and you guys can follow along. So first, in order to get started, go to the repo that's linked right here. This is going to be, for all intents and purposes, the main repo for your demo. And then after that, pick one person in the team you're working with. This demo is probably best done in like teams of 5 or less, like 2 to 5. Choose them to be the manager, and all this person is going to do is they're going to be the pseudo main repo that everybody else can make a pull request back to. So the manager should fork the main version of the repository, which is the one that's linked in step 1, and then send their link to the fork in their own Zoom chat. And then everybody else is going to fork off of the manager's repository. So the next step, you guys are going to end up with forking. You guys are going to have an index.html file and a styles.css file in your GitHub repository. So go ahead and open up that repo or the index.html file in your browser. It should look something like, not like that, like this. Pretty basic file. And what you guys are going to do is you guys are going to go into, open it up in your favorite text editor, and basically edit this about the team, the bottom section right there. So because you guys are kind of working individually, locally on your own files, you should run into a merge conflict at the end when you push all your files back and try to merge it back into your pseudo main repo, which is your manager's repo. So the first step here is to press the fork button. It should be in the top right corner of my repo. So your manager is going to do that. And then when you guys get your manager's link, you guys are going to fork off of your manager's repo. And then the next step would be here to click that green code button and to copy that link. When you copy that link, you can go ahead and type it in your terminal and type git clone. Type git clone followed by that link. We'll go through this later. After I explain all the instructions, we will actually walk you guys through step by step as we do this ourselves. So after you guys clone it, I guess the best practice would be to create a branch within your fork, just so you know you aren't, just in case you make more than one change. It's a good practice, but in this case, we know we're just making a couple of changes, so no need to really do this. So go ahead and clone your new repo. And after that, open it in a text editor of your choice. And after you've made your changes, be sure to commit your changes and then push them back into your fork. And then after you push it back into your fork, that's where you will see this compare and pull request sign in your repository. And then you want to create that pull request so that your manager's repo is where you're creating the pull request into. And it's not going to be able to automatically merge because you guys should have some merge conflicts, and we'll go through how to resolve those shortly. Okay, sweet. So for the demo section, does one of you guys particularly want to be manager?
I can be manager.
Okay, sweet. So for the demo section, Drishka is going to be manager. We'll let her share her screen right now.
It says host disabled participants.
Just kidding. Okay, should be able to know.
Okay. Okay, so I'm currently on the intro to Git thing. So I'm going to fork the repository. Then I'm going to send this link to everyone on my team with the Zoom chat. Okay, so now that everyone on my team has this link, I'm going to copy this and I'm going to clone this repository to my local machine. And then, okay. And then I'm going to open this in VS Code.
Yeah, sometimes code dot doesn't work. I think you might have to set it up.
Yeah, that's okay. I haven't used VS Code in a while, so that's part of the reason why. Okay, so then I'm gonna make some changes. So
And I'll fork her fork now too, right?
I'm gonna make
Yeah.
this bigger. So it says to fill out the similarities and differences. So non-physical similarities. Okay, guys. We are
Where's everybody
all,
from? I feel like that was an easy one.
yeah, where are we all
I'm from Indiana, the Midwest.
Akil is from Indiana. I'm from Illinois.
Nice. Okay.
And I'm from Minnesota.
Oh, nice. I actually lived in Minnesota for a couple of years as well. From
Oh yeah.
Plymouth.
Oh, word. Yeah,
Okay,
that's
and
like
then
you know
Avi
where Maple Grove is?
is,
Yeah.
Yeah, that's where I'm from.
and
Oh, sweet.
I don't know how to spell Minnesota, sorry.
That's correct. That's correct.
That's
Okay,
right.
and then the second difference, we're all different grades, right? I'm a freshman. Akil, you're a
I'm a
junior,
junior.
correct?
Yeah.
So Akil is a junior.
So in
Yoshika.
the meantime, Abhi's going to be filling these out as well, but he's just going to be using different language. So that's where you guys are actually going to run into your merge conflicts.
Okay. And then Avi, what grade are you in?
First year's master's student.
Avi is a
And
master's student. Okay, cool. And then for third one, what about favorite musician?
Favorite
So-
musician? That's an interesting one.
Oh, that's tough.
Yoshika's fave musician is Chloe Kelly. Akil's
Favorite musician? I listened to a lot of Lil Wayne in high school, so I'll put Lil Wayne.
Okay. Am I spelling it right? Okay.
That's correct. Yeah.
And then Avi's favorite musician?
Mine is probably I like Lil Uzi Vert. That's one.
Okay. Nice. I actually just started listening to Lil Uzi Vert.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, pretty recently.
Okay. So those are three differences. We need to find similarities. Are we all
We don't
like,
necessarily need three. Even if we just do one, like the
we
concept
are
illustration should be the
all
same.
on Hack Illinois.
Oh, perfect. Yeah, there we go.
Are we all CS majors of some sort?
Yeah, basically. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Are all CS majors. Also, we need one more thing.
Well, we're all from the Midwest.
We are all from the Midwest. Cool. So
This is where
that's
it
the
gets
first
interesting.
part. Does pineapple belong on pizza?
My vote is for yes.
I vote yes.
I vote yes as well.
Oh,
Okay,
sweet.
so
Okay.
3 for yes and then 0 for no.
I'm not super like it has to belong though. I'm just kind of like if it's there, I'm not hitting on it.
Yeah.
Okay.
Fair.
Okay, and then is a hot dog a sandwich?
My vote's no.
I think
It
I'm gonna
seems
vote
kind of
no
off.
too. What do you
Okay.
think, Avi?
Me too. I'm gonna say no
Okay.
too.
Actually, then
Cool.
put me as yes. Put me as yes, just so I
Yeah,
can be
put
different.
one. Yeah, put one. Okay.
Yeah, okay, cool. And then
Okay.
team members, we need to add.
So you can go ahead and uncomment lines 84 and 85, and then just kind of copy them.
Okay.
So that's my name because I put it just an example from the main.
Oops. I do not remember the
If you do command
command
// yeah.
command //
Yeah, wait, you uncommented it. It's good.
There we go.
Yeah.
Okay, cool. I got it.
And you
So
just copy
Akil's
those
already
twice.
in here. I'm just gonna add everyone else. So I am Joshika Asher. I use she, her, hers pronouns, and I'm a freshman in CS. And then Avi.
Abhi, how do I pronounce your last name?
Vidali.
Vidali.
Okay. Yeah. He, him, his. and I'm data science.
Oh, cool.
Yeah. What was our third similarity? I forgot.
Midwest.
So we had HackIllinois Midwest.
HackIllinois Midwest, and honestly, you don't need it.
Oh,
Okay,
technical
so
background or whatever.
now we
yeah,
want to
sure.
open. How do I see this? And reveal in Finder. Okay. So this
You click on
is
and find
how
her. Oh,
it
nice.
looks. So now that we have made all the changes to this site, do we have to get add? No, I don't think I'm going to do it from here. I'm going to do it from the VS Code terminal. So if you click on terminal and then new terminal, VS Code gives you an integrated terminal. So you can do get add dot get. I'm going to do get status. So you can see that I've been modifying the index.html file, which is what you want to see at this point, and then get commits. And the message I'm going to put is edit index.html. And then, Akil, am I good to push?
Yeah, I think you're good to push. Yeah.
Okay, so then I do get push, press enter, and then
Awesome.
it pushes my changes to the remotes.
So then now, why don't we have Abhi share his screen and then show how to create? Because he pushed to his own repo, hopefully this time as well. And he can show how to actually create the pull request.
Okay.
All right.
We'll give you a bit to push
See
to make sure you get all your stuff set up.
Almost done finishing. All right. So let me do that. Put that up there. Bring this down here, and let's see if I have this terminal open. Okay, so I'm gonna share now. Share desktop 3. Can you guys see this?
Yeah.
All right, so I already forked Drishika's.
Okay.
And then I just made all of my changes. So now I should push this to my local repository.
Yep.
All right. So I'm gonna cd into, what was this called? Intro get. Okay, so I'm gonna first check. There we go. Didn't save that. All right,
Okay,
so now I'm add this. Okay, now I need to commit this. So I'm gonna commit added my answers. Origin. All right, so I push this to my local, or I push this to my fork of Drishika's fork. Let's see. Why is this not going up there? Just tab 2. Okay, so now I'm gonna make a pull request.
Yep.
All right.
Nice. You see there's like that little button there. Is it pull request or code?
And my answers, create pull request. You guys can see this, right?
Yeah. Yep.
Okay, cool.
Okay, sweet. And then now, can he? Okay, so I think Drishika needs to be the one to resolve the pull request.
Right.
Okay, so I'm back in here, and I'm gonna just reload the page. So I can see the conflicting files, and then I can click on resolve conflicts, and then out here, it shows you where the 5 conflicts are. So you can click previous and next to see what the conflicts are. Okay, do you want to decide which
Yeah.
ones I'm gonna keep?
Yeah, so now you guys can kind of see like on lines 32 through 40, there's a conflict there, just in the way we worded things. The easiest way to resolve this is just to honestly delete one set of rules. So I just want to pick one and delete like lines 32 to 36 or something.
Okay, I think I'm gonna do that. So just delete it. And
Yep.
there we go. Okay, and then if you can see here, it's like the same thing for all of these. So you just pick one set that you want to keep and then the other set that you don't want to keep and work your way through them one at a time. I'm just choosing them at random, but obviously like for your real project, there are some versions that make more sense and other versions that don't. So you would have to keep that in mind. And also make sure you get rid of these little tags. And then once you're all satisfied, you can mark as resolved and then commit the merge. So there you go. I'm
Great.
gonna stop share now.
Yeah. So hopefully you guys took a little something away from that. Understood the basics of GitHub. If you have any more questions, please do reach out to us either via commenting on our video, or if you're watching this throughout the HackIllinois weekend, just ask anywhere in Discord. Any staff member should be able to help you out. Yep, thanks for coming and thanks for watching. Bye, guys.
Bye, everyone.
Bye.